Hello and thank you for joining us today on the Legacy Brand Coin Ring Tool channel. My name is Gary and today we're taking a look at the 3-piece die and cone set, which is made for pennies and for dimes. It makes the job easy, it makes the job more efficient, and also opens up the penny and the dime to make it fit over the top of your ring stretcher. Let's take a look. The Legacy brand 13-degree cent, dime, die, and cone set come in a 3-piece set. You get the double-sided stainless steel 17-4 treated and hardened die, which is double-sided, laser etched on the front so you can tell which tool it is in your arsenal of coin ring tools. The double sides make it so you can do your dimes on one side and you can do your pennies on the other side. The cone is also made of 17-4 stainless steel, which is heat treated and hardened to make it last for many years. The third item that comes in the 3-piece set is this Delrin cone. This Delrin is tapered at 5 degrees, which helps to finish the fold of the coin itself, whether it be a penny or whether it be a dime. It opens it on up so you can get it over your ring stretcher, which many ring stretchers are very large at the top, especially the older ones, the old blue ring stretchers. The Chinese made brands, those particular ones have a larger top on them than the Durston ring stretcher. So this setup right here makes it very easy to fold, also easier to get it over the top of your ring stretcher. Here at the arbor press I have my silver dime. It has been annealed, which is heating it and quenching it to soften the metal. I have punched a 3/8 hole in the center, and I have also deburred the center of this using a deburr tool like this. This particular deburr tool, what you do is you run it around and around in the circle of that where the punch is. It takes the sharp edges off of that so you can help prevent splitting of your coins when you begin to fold them into rings. So let's get started. Let's take this thing. I'm going to put it date side down because I like that to be the outside of the ring. Take my 13-degree cone and I'm going to place it inside the dime just like so. Get it level. Well, let's use this right here so we can level it up a little bit. Make sure it's good and level. And begin your fold. Press it down. I'm going to stop about right there. Let's take a quick look at it. Dump it out here in my hand. We've begun our fold. I'm going to stop right there. I'm going to give this a quick anneal and I'll be right back. Alright, back from anneal. I like to anneal my coins in the middle of my fold. On all of my coins I do that. So anyway, it helps to keep the metal soft and helps to keep it folding smooth and round as you fold down. The inside of my cone right here on this particular die, what I've done is I have lubricated it with coconut oil. I know you can't see that, but that's one thing that I like to do with my dies is lubricate them with coconut oil so it slides down smoother. I'm going to continue the fold on this now. Drop it down in there. Place the cone on the inside. Press down just a little bit more, and I'm watching on the inside of this right here to make sure that I don't press too far because that's going to benefit whenever I get this particular one that's got the protectant, the very hard Delrin, to keep from damaging the detail of the inside of my ring. Let's press down a little bit here. Alright, that cone is getting close to that wall, so I'm going to stop right there. Take this cone out. Let's go ahead and look at it one more time. It's looking like that. It's looking pretty good, nice and straight. Place it back in there one more time. Get it straight. Take your Delrin cone, which is very hard. Place that in the center there. Get it all lined up straight. Like so. And now I'm going to press that down. Again, remember to make sure that you have room below because the cone will come out through the bottom. It'll stick out just a little bit. So I'm going to press this on down until I hit the bottom. Now let's take a quick look at the bottom here. Yes, it does come out the bottom a little bit. And we have ourselves a dime that's been folded 13 degrees, and now it's opened up large enough where it can fit over the top of my ring stretcher. Now let's do the same thing with our penny. It's been annealed. It has a 3/8 hole in the center that's been punched. It's been deburred using one of these deburr tools. Now we're going to take it. We're going to turn the die over. Again, I have lubricated the inside of this die with coconut oil. I'm going to place it in there face down, which is the date side down. Place the cone on the inside, like so. Lower your ram. Make sure everything is straight. It's straight in there. Let's begin our fold. Pressing down. Okay, I'm going to back it up a little bit because I need to straighten it just a little bit. So I'm just going to very carefully just level that up. Like so. Okay, now that it's straight, go ahead and finish my fold just a little bit more. Let's take a look at it here. Looking pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and take this one and anneal it, and we'll finish the fold. Okay, back from anneal. Nice and pretty now that it's annealed. Straighten it up inside here. Level as you can. Place my 13-degree cone back in my die. Inside that coin. Give it a little bit of press. I'm going to press down just far enough to where it's getting close to those walls, not touching the wall. Back it off. Change the cone out. Put this cone down inside there. Straighten it up. And actually you can do that with the cone. Straighten it up. And run this cone on down until the walls touch the inside of that coin. Like so. Let's take it out of there. And we have our penny ready for our ring stretcher, because now we'll fit over the top of our ring stretcher. Folding at 13 degree definitely gives you a benefit of making this dime or penny closer to a ring, because it actually folds the coin quite a bit farther in the 13 degree fold, and the 5-degree Delrin Cone, which is super hard, presses on down through that, which opens it on up so you can fit it onto your ring stretcher. Whether you are a new coin ringer or you've been ringing for a long time, the 13 degree stainless steel cone set by Legacy brand coin ring tools can sure speed up the process in making coin rings out of pennies and dimes. One tip of the day: if your penny or your dime happen to get stuck on the cone and you just can't seem to get it off of there, because they will stick just a little bit if you press down too hard. Now I've pressed this one on there a little bit firm just to make it stick, because I wanted to show you this. The way I do it is I take this cone, hold it this way down, use your die plate off of your stretcher. Find the hole that the cone fits tight in, like so. Drop it in there. The coin will hang on that inside of that taper. Give it a quick tap. The cone falls out, and your penny or your dime is ready to be finished with a stretch on the ring stretcher and turned into a ring. Again, this is Gary from Legacy brand coin ring tools, and as always, happy ringing.